Hey, this is Adam. In this video, we're going to be talking about pronominal verbs. And a pronominal verb is a verb that requires a pronoun to go in front of it. So why would you need a pronoun to go in front of a verb? Well, there are two different situations that you would. That's called a reflexive situation or a reciprocal situation. Now, the pronouns that you would use are the same for both situations, so that's good news. You don't have to learn two sets of pronouns. And these pronouns are me, te, se, nos, os, and se, according to the subject. So we're going to go over a couple of examples. This course is about kind of exposing you to the different kinds of verbs, so we're not going to go really in depth into how these work. I'll have another course on that, and you can check that out. But take a look at these, and hopefully you will get the general idea of what a pronominal/reflexive verb is. The first situation we're going to look at is a reflexive situation. And we're going to keep this simple, so we'll look at the verb to wake up. Now, there's two different ways you could look at this. You could say, I wake up, and that's what this would look like. Yo me despierto. Or you could say, I wake my brother up, in which case it would look like this. Yo despierto a mi hermano. Now, you can obviously see the differences. There's me in the first one, and there's a mi hermano at the end. Whenever you see a pronoun in front of a conjugated verb, that's going to indicate who or what it's happening to. So, as reflexive implies, whoever's doing it, it's reflecting back on them. Yo me despierto. I'm waking up. Whom? Me. All right? And the second one, I'm waking my brother up, so there's no pronoun needed. Now we're going to look at reciprocal verbs, which look exactly like reflexive verbs, except they only happen in the plural. For example, in this picture, people are talking to each other, so I would say, ellos se hablan. Now, if I didn't have the picture, I wouldn't know if it meant they're talking to themselves or talking to each other. But obviously, from the picture, they're talking to each other. If I don't know, then you can put the phrase uno al otro, which means one to the other, after the reflexive or reciprocal verb to clarify it means each other and not themselves. And that's it in a nutshell. Reflexive is when the subject is acting upon itself, and reciprocal is when the subject is plural and they're acting towards each other. And that's it.